Hi students, exercise 9.4, question number 16, limit x approaches 0, 3 power x minus 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 minus 1. Here replace x equal to 0 into the function, 3 power 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Then the denominator 0 plus 1 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Numerator 0, denominator also 0. 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. Denominator have square root of x plus 1 is irrational root. Okay, irrational root. So take conjugate of denominator. Solution. Given limit x approaches 0, 3 power x minus 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to limit x approaches 0, 3 power x minus 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 minus 1. Take conjugate of denominator. That is square root of x plus 1 plus 1 in the numerator, square root of x plus 1 plus 1. Denominator as in the structure a minus b into a plus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. That is limit x approaches 0, 3 power x minus 1 into square root of x plus 1 plus 1 divided by a minus b into a plus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. That is x plus 1 the whole square minus 1 square. Here square root are cancelled. Minus 1 square is minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 are cancelled. Finally we get in the denominator x. That is limit x approaches 0, 3 power x minus 1 into square root of x plus 1 plus 1 divided by x. Grouping the function 3 power x minus 1 divided by x. Apply to the limit in each function. That is limit x approaches 0, 3 power x minus 1 divided by x into limit x approaches 0, square root of x plus 1 plus 1. Okay, we know that the result, that is limit x approaches 0, a power x minus 1 divided by x, which is equal to log a. Okay, log a. Here a greater than 0. Okay, here a greater than 0. Similarly to the same procedure here, then the result is log of 3 into replace x equal to 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1 plus 1 is 2. It means 2 times of log 3. Using power rule, 2 goes to 3 square, 3 power, that is 3 square. 3 squared is log of 9. Then the value is log 9. Okay. Question number 18. Evaluate limit x approaches infinity x into 3 power 1 by x. 3 power 1 by x plus 1 minus cos of 1 by x minus e power 1 by x. In each term, the function is reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal of x. So, the term x convert to y. Okay, change to the variable x into y. Let solution given limit x approaches infinity x into 3 power 1 by x plus 1 minus cos of 1 by x minus e power 1 divided by x. Okay, here which is equal to replace 1 by x which is equal to y. Okay, 1 by x which is equal to y. X approaches infinity means 1 by infinity is 0. Then y approaches 0. Okay, y approaches 0. Using this result into the given function, that is limit x approaches infinity means y approaches 0, y approaches 0. Okay, x means 1 by x equal to y means x equal to 1 divided by y, x equal to 1 divided by y. Okay, x equal to 1 divided by y into 3 power 1 by x is y plus 1 minus cos of 1 by x is y minus e power y. 1 by x is y. Okay, here 1 divided by y, product in each term, that is limit y approaches 0, 3 power y plus 1 minus cos y minus e power y divided by y. Okay, divided by y. We know that the some result, that is limit x approaches 0, 3 power x minus 1, sorry, a power x minus 1 divided by a, which is equal to, sorry, a power x minus 1 divided by x, which is equal to log a. Okay, which is equal to log a. Then limit x approaches 0, 1 minus cos x divided by x, which is equal to 0, plus in another one property, limit x approaches 0, e power x minus 1 divided by x, which is equal to 1, which is equal to 1. Using this result, we can change to the given function into this structure. Here add and subtract 1 of numerator of 1 in numerator, that is limit y approaches 0, 3 power y minus 1, subtract 1 plus 1 minus cos y minus e power y plus 1. Okay, e power y plus 1 divided by y. Okay, divided by y. Here divided by y in each term, that is limit y approaches 0, 3 power y minus 1 divided by y. Okay, plus limit y approaches 0, 1 minus cos y divided by y. Okay, here take outside minus 1 in these terms, that is minus limit y approaches 0, take outside minus 1 means e power y minus 1 divided by y. Using this result into here, that is it is equal to log 3. Okay, log 3 plus, then the result is 0, then the result is minus, then the value is 1. Okay, value is 1. Finally we get log 3 minus 1, log of 3 minus 1. Okay, question number 19, limit x approaches infinity, x into log of x plus a minus log x. Here replace x equal to infinity into the given function, infinity log of infinity plus a minus log infinity. Infinity minus infinity, that is indeterminate form. So given function we can rewrite into the structure, that is limit x approaches infinity, x into log of x plus a minus log of x, which is equal to limit x approaches infinity, x into log a minus log b, which can be written as log a by b. Similarly to the same process, log of x plus a divided by x. Okay, log of x plus a divided by x. Here, listen, we know that the some standard result limit x approaches 0 log of 1 plus x divided by x which is equal to 1. Okay, which is equal to 1. Using this property into here, that is the given function, we can change into this structure. In the first term is 1 means x plus a divided by x, which can be written as limit x approaches infinity x into log of 1 plus a divided by x, isn't it? Log of 1 plus a divided by 1 plus a divided by x, a divided by x. Here the x which can be written as 1 divided by x in the denominator. Okay, 1 divided by x in the denominator. Here the given function we can rewrite into the form limit x approaches infinity log of 1 plus a divided by x divided by 1 divided by x. Okay, here comparing into this structure 1 plus x divided by x. Suppose 1 plus 2x means then the denominator also like as 2x. Suppose 1 plus x square means then the denominator like in the factor x square. But here log of 1 plus a divided by x, but denominator a by x is correct, but here 1 by x is wrong. So multiple and divided by a of denominator, multiple and divided by a of denominator, that is limit x approaches infinity, log of 1 plus a by x divided by a by x 1 by a. Okay, here 1 by a, denominator also like as 1 by a here, but comparing of limit x approaches 0, but here x approaches infinity, that is limits at infinity. So change to the variable, let 1 by x which is equal to y. Okay, 1 by x which is equal to y. Here x approaches infinity, then replace x equal to infinity, 1 by infinity is y approaches 0. Okay, here change to the given function, that is limit y approaches 0 log of 1 plus 1 by x is y. Okay, then the remaining is 1 plus a y divided by here 1 by a, which can be written as a into log of 1 plus a y divided by 1 by x is y. A by x means a y. Okay, a by x is a y. Here a is the constant. So a into limit y approaches 0 log of 1 plus a y divided by a y. Using comparing of this result, limit x y approaches 0. Okay, 0 log of 1 plus x divided by x, which is equal to 1. Similarly to the same procedure, using this result into here, that is a into 1 which is equal to a. Okay, which is equal to a. Question number 21. Evaluate limit x approaches by 1 plus sin x whole power 2 into cosine x. Okay, we know that some result limit x approaches infinity 1 plus x 1 plus 1 divided by x, which is equal to e. Okay, which is equal to e. Here here the comparing of limit by here infinity are variant, and the structure 1 1 is same, but x here sin x whole power 2 cosecant x. Okay, so change to another one variable. Solution: let y equal to cosecant x. Okay, y equal to cosecant x. Cosecant x. Okay, cosecant x. Here, as x approaches pi means, then y approaches here, replace x equal to pi, cosecant pi, which can be written as 1 divided by sin x. Okay, 1 divided by sin x. Sin pi is 0, 1 by 0 is infinity, then y approaches infinity. Okay, replace the value of given function, that is limit x approaches pi 1 plus sin x whole power 2 into cosecant x, which is equal to limit y approaches infinity 1 plus here cosecant x equal to y, sin x equal to 1 by y. Okay, 1 divided by y. Here 2 times of cosecant x is y, so 2y. Okay, 2y. Here change into the structure, that is limit y approaches infinity 1 plus 1 divided by y whole power, sorry, here 1 by x means here x. Okay, 1 by x means here x, so y whole power 2. Okay, whole power 2. Using this result into here, that is e power 2. Okay, e power 2, which is equal to e square. Okay, which is equal to e square. Okay, next question number 23. Evaluate limit x approaches 0, square root of 1 plus sin x minus square root of 1 minus sin x divided by tan x. Replace x equal to 0 into the function. 1 plus sin 0 is 0, 1 plus sin 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, square root of 1 is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, tan 0 is 0. 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. Numerator have square root of 1 plus sin x minus square root of 1 minus sin x. Remove square root means, so take conjugate of numerator. Okay, take conjugate of numerator. Okay, take conjugate of numerator. Solution: given limit x approaches 0, square root of 1 plus sin x minus square root of 1 minus sin x divided by tan x, which is equal to, here limit x approaches 0, square root of 1 plus sin x minus square root of 1 minus sin x divided by tan x into, take conjugate of numerator, that is square root of 1 plus sin x plus square root of 1 minus sin x divided by square root of 1 plus sin x plus square root of 1 minus sin x. In the numerator, as in the structure, a minus b into a plus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. That is limit x approaches 0, square root of 1 plus sin x whole square, that is a square minus b square is square root of 1 minus sin x whole square, a square minus b square divided by tan x into square root of 1 plus sin x plus square root of 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x. In the numerator, square root are cancelled, minus 1 plus sin x. Here plus 1 minus 1 are cancelled, sin x plus sin s is 2 sin x. Okay, that is limit x approaches to 0, 2 times of sin x divided by tan x, which can be written as sin x divided by cos x. Okay, sin x divided by cos x. Square root of 1 plus sin x plus square root of 1 minus sin x. Okay, here sin x are cancelled. 1 by cos x, which can be changed, which can be written as 2 times of cos x. Okay, 2 times of cos x. Okay, that is limit x approaches to 0, 2 times of cos x divided by square root of 1 plus sin x plus square root of 1 minus sin x. Okay, 1 minus sin x. Here replace x equal to 0 into the given function. 2 into cos 0 is 1, 2 into 1 is 2, then the denominator sin 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, square root of 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, which is equal to 2 divided by 2 into cos 0, cos 0 divided by square root of 1 plus sin 0 plus square root of 1 minus sin 0, which is equal to cos 0 is 1, 2 into 1 is 2 divided by square root of 1 plus square root of 1, that is 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. Okay, which is equal to 1. Question number 24. Limit x approaches infinity, x squared minus 2x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 2 whole power x. Listen. Suppose they are asking limit x approaches infinity, x squared minus 2x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 4x plus 2, which is equal to, here x approaches infinity means limits at infinity. This is the rational function. This is p of x, this is q of x, here degree of p of x is 2, degree of q of x is 2, then the relation between p of x and q of x are equal. So what is the procedure to find limit of given function? Coefficient of highest degree of x in p of x, that is 1, divided by coefficient of highest degree of x in q of x, 1 divided by 1, which is equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay, but here they are asking whole power x, so this is the very important one. X approaches infinity means whole power infinity. Okay, whole power infinity is indeterminate form. Okay, indeterminate form. 1 power infinity, then the result is 1. 1 power infinity is indeterminate form. So we can change to the structure, that is limits at infinity means we have two structure. Limit x approaches infinity, 1 plus 1 divided by x whole power x, which is equal to e. Okay, which is equal to e. In another one structure, limit x approaches infinity, 1 plus k divided by x whole power x, which is equal to e power k. Okay, e power k. Given function can be changed to this structure. In the first term have 1. Okay, first term have 1, but here x square, denominator also x square. So x square means using division algorithm, that is x square minus 2x plus 1 divisible by x square minus 4x plus 2. Only 1 times 1 into x square, 1 into minus 4x minus 4x, 1 into 2 plus 2. Change to the sign minus plus minus. Here x square are cancelled. Plus 4x minus 2x is 2x. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Okay. The given function can be changed to limit x approaches infinity x square minus 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus 4x plus 2 whole power x, which is equal to limit x approaches infinity. This function can be written as 1 plus this is the quotient, this is the remainder. Okay, this is the remainder. Okay, so 1 plus 2x minus 1 divided by x square minus 4x plus 2. Okay, 4x plus 2 whole power x. Here in the second procedure, 1 divided by x. Okay, 1 divided by x. Suppose denominator have x means whole power like as x. Here multiple and divided by x square minus 4x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 1 into the power, that is x square minus 4x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 1 product 2x minus 1 divided by x square minus 4x plus 2, because this term are cancelled. 2x minus 1 are cancelled. Therefore the given function can be changed to product and divided by x square minus 4x plus 2 and 2x minus 1 on powers. Okay, on powers. Here once again grouping of powers, x square minus 4x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 1, that is limit x approaches infinity 1 plus 2x minus 1 divided by x square minus 4x plus 2 whole power x square minus 4x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 1 whole power 2x square. Okay, 2x square minus x divided by x square minus 4x plus 2. Okay, 4x plus 2. Here change to the another one variable, that is here is an comparing of this structure. Limit x approaches infinity 1 plus k by x whole power x, which is equal to e power k. Similarly, limit x approaches infinity 1 plus 2x minus 1 divided by x square minus 4x plus 2 whole power x square minus 4x plus 2 divided by 2x minus 1. Then the resultant is e. Okay, then the resultant is e. And limit x approaches infinity whole power 2x square minus x divided by x square minus 4x plus 2. Here take to this limit. This is the rough of x approaches infinity 2x square minus x divided by x square minus 4x plus 2. This is the p of x. This is q of x. Okay, q of x. Degree of p of x is 2. Degree of q of x is 2. Then the relation between degree of p of x equal to degree of q of x. then procedure for finding the value of the given function, coefficient of highest degree of x in p of x, that is 2 divided by coefficient of x square, that is 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So using this result, whole power 2. Okay, whole power 2. E power e whole power 2 means e square. This is the value. Okay, this is the value. Question number 26. Evaluate limit x approaches 0, e power ax minus e power bx divided by x. Replace x equal to 0 into the function. E power 0 into a is 0, e power 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Denominator also have 0. 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. Okay. Solution. We know that the some standard result, that is limit x approaches 0, e power x minus 1 divided by x, which is equal to 1. Okay, here given function have two terms, split into two terms, that is limit x approaches 0, e power ax minus e power bx divided by x, which is equal to limit x approaches 0, e power ax divided by x minus limit x approaches to 0, add 1 and subtract, in numerator, that is limit x approaches to 0, e power ax minus 1. Okay, subtract minus 1 minus e power bx plus 1. Add and subtract 1 in numerator, doesn't change the function. Grouping the function, limit x approaches 0, e power ax minus 1. Take outside minus 1 of these terms, that is e power bx minus 1 divided by x. Now split in two terms, that is limit x approaches to 0, e power ax minus 1 divided by x minus limit x approaches to 0, e power bx minus 1 divided by x. Here comparing of this structure, e power x means denominator like as x, e power 2x means denominator like as 2x. Suppose e power x square means denominator like as x square. Similarly in here e power ax means multiple a and divided by a of denominator in the first term. In the second term, multiple and divided by b denominator of second term. Okay, that is limit x approaches to 0, e power ax minus 1 divided by x, multiple and divided by a in the first term, minus limit x approaches to 0, e power bx minus 1 divided by x, multiple and divided by b in the second term. Okay, grouping of function, e power ax minus 1 divided by x by a, e power bx minus 1 divided by x by b. Okay, x by b. Then the constant 1 by a into limit x approaches to 0, e power ax minus 1 divided by xa, grouping of ax. Okay, grouping of ax, grouping of bx, that is a into limit x approaches 0, e power ax minus 1 divided by ax minus b into limit x approaches to 0, e power bx minus 1 divided by bx. Okay, here using this result is 1 into here, that is a into 1 minus b into 1 which is equal to a minus b. Okay, this is equal to a minus b. Question number 28. Evaluate limit x approaches 0 tan x minus sin x divided by x cube. Using the trigonometry formula, tan x which can be written as sin x divided by cos x. Solution: limit x approaches to 0 tan x minus sin x divided by x cube, which is equal to limit x approaches to 0 tan x can be written as sin x divided by cos x minus sin x divided by x cube. Okay, divided by x cube. Here, using cross multiplication, sin x minus sin x into cos x divided by cos x. Okay, that is limit x approaches to 0. Take outside sin x, that is 1 minus cos x. Okay, 1 minus cos x divided by x cube into cos x. Okay, x cube into cos x. Okay, take outside using cross multiplication, sin x minus sin x into cos x divided by cos x. Take outside sin x, that is 1 minus cos x divided by cos x. Okay, here grouping the function, sin x cube is split to x into x, that is limit x approaches to 0 sin x 1 minus cos x is using trigonometry formula, or 1 minus cos x divided by x. Okay, here sin x divided by x, this is one function, and the another one is 1 minus cos x, 1 minus cos x divided by x, this is another one function, this is another one function. Okay, and the remaining is x into cos x. Okay, x into cos x. So, or otherwise using trigonometry formula, 1 minus cos x means here 1 minus cos x, which is equal to 2 sin square x divided by 2. Okay, 2 sin square x divided by 2. So, using these type are split into these types. Okay, are split into these types. 1 minus cos x means 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, sin square x by 2. Okay, so grouping of function, limit x approaches to 0 sin x divided by x. Okay, into x into x is x square. 2 can be written as limit x approaches to 0 sin square x by 2 divided by x into x is x square. 2 can be written as x square divided by 2. Finally, limit x approaches to 0, the last function 1 divided by cos x. Okay, 1 divided by cos x. Here, then the property, then the resultant is limit x approaches to 0 sin x divided by x, which is equal to 1. Okay, here replace x equal to 0, that is 1 divided by cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Then the result is 1 into, limit x approaches to 0 sin square x by 2 divided by x square by 2. X by 2 the whole square means using this structure. But here denominator x square divided by 2. So multiple and divided by 2 in the denominator. we can rewrite into the structure, that is limit x approaches to 0 sin square x divided by 2 divided by grouping of denominator x divided by 2 the whole square, x divided by 2 the whole square, then the remaining is constant 1 by 2. Okay, that is 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into, then the value is 1. 1 by 2 into 1 is 1 divided by 2. Okay,